morning after the night before. I was getting a little bit, I don't know, disillusioned yesterday when my hammer forming didn't really work out, and I ended up having to slice it into 4 pieces. So if we look down there, it's doable. Of course we can join all those 5 pieces together and then set that in, or set them in individually. But after a good sleep I had a revelation. If we go over here, we will see. And I'm really not sure why I didn't think of this earlier. In there is half a Mk2 Escort. With, and this is probably why I didn't think of it, because the parcel shelf is in the same condition as the red one. But if I don't think of it as a whole, I think of it as doing it the same way and just cutting out the scallops, the pressings. I could probably make a neater job. This one's got satellite installed. Oh. Right, there we have a panel. And I reckon that we can salvage enough out of that to make a nicer repair on the red one. This is, after all, what I saved this car for, was its metal and its pressings and forms and bits and pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and clear some access to this, get the extension lead out, and I'll probably just cut that whole parcel shelf out and go to work on it. So, cleaning the crap out of the way, got the air hammer again with a spot weld breaker on it. The press is spooling up. I could always use the old machete, which is now baked in the sun and too hot to pick up. Right. See how this goes, if it goes. Need to get under there first. Aha. You've always got to watch where you're picking things up out here, because sometimes you get a surprise. Lizards, snakes, frogs. Prise that a little bit. Just going to cut it. I don't want to break. Where it is going. Get it from the back. Making a bit of a mess of it. There we go. First bit off. I should continue doing that in several hours time, see and